Hello, welcome in this video. I'm so happy to be starting this video on the theme of boundaries, respect, integrity, and tenderness. I would like to start with a few seconds of silence just to make room for what you feel, what I feel, especially in relationship to those notions I just mentioned. I'm wondering if I want to say a bit more about the context of why I want to do this. Um, yes, just without going into details, there's just yes, a lot of things happening for me around those notions, and I find them quite interesting and important to be thinking and talking about those things. So, whatever is the intention that drove you to push on the button to join this video, welcome. And we'll go into some kind of silence now. So, through that silence, I intend to make room for what we feel, what we think, what is our intention, what is our needs, what is our sorry, what is our emotions right here in this moment. So whatever we feel, well, where we are, and I intend by this silence to contribute to you and I feel welcome the way we are, exactly as we are right here and right now. And then I explore a little bit the topic of boundaries, respect, integrity, and tenderness. So let's taste a bit more why we're here, what we want right in this moment, silently. Hmm. Thank you for this time. Thank you for joining. Um, so, boundaries, respect, integrity, and tenderness. I chose to, I'm choosing to talk about those notions because I want to acknowledge that sometimes it can be quite challenging to be clear about our boundaries, to be and therefore respect our boundaries, and therefore care for our integrity, and by consequences, sometimes it's very hard not to find a slight amount of tenderness towards ourselves when we, in addition to finding it hard to be clear about our boundaries and respect them, and therefore care for our integrity, sometimes we even attack ourselves, judge ourselves harshly, and lack the chance to be tender with ourselves. And it's kind of something that I'm experiencing right here, right now. I just had a very deep, rich, strong conversation that restored something that was damaged in terms of trust. That dialogue, okay, the I don't know how much time it's been cut off. So I was talking about the deep conversation I just had with someone I had some uh, trust damaging experience damaged. And out of this conversation, there was something that came out of like, yeah, a stronger sense of friendship, brotherhood, sisterhood, and even a sense, yeah, a sense of alliance, and a sense that a lot of things can happen after that. Um, and I'm so pleased that, yeah, I put the connection with this person first before anything. And I mean, not after my self connection, it was combined. I wanted to care for my connection, my self connection, and the connection with this person. And we created some space where we were able to talk, create some kind of structure where we start with some silence that did 3 minutes. I was speaking, she was reflecting a bit of what I said, then she spoke 3 minutes, I reflected a bit, then 3 minutes me, 3 minutes her, etc. And we went to do it for about an hour and a half. And anyway, right now I feel tired, and it's quite tempting to blame myself for being tired rather than accept that I had an intense experience and I'd like some relief right now, and to I'd like some tenderness and finding ways to chill and regenerate and say yes to what I want to do next. So I guess what I need right now is clarity around what I want to do next. And having identified that need of mine, I feel some relief. I'm wondering what you need right here, right now, how you feel, what you want, and if you know what is the next step you want to take. I'm going to make a few seconds of silence just to make space for whatever you feel and want. Thank you. Thank you for being you. Bye for now.